Want to know the secret to creating your dream home office, retreat, or even a hobby space? Hi, it's Erin here from Three Birds Renovations, and at our latest renovation we've installed this gorgeous Stilla studio that's standing behind me. It's called the Sorrento. What I love about it is it gives you a separate additional space. Maybe you want to escape the kids, maybe you want to duck out there to read a book. Maybe you want another little entertaining space in the yard. It ticks all the boxes. It not only creates a focal point, draws the eye and gives the backyard a moment, it also adds charm to the home. The Sorrento's features include premium aluminium doors and windows, increased wall height for extra breathing room, built-in roof insulation, and gutters for smarter water management. We added power so that we could install some beautiful feature lighting on the outside and illuminate inside also. And then we've also included this gorgeous deck here so that we've got a lovely place to sit out front. We chose to paint this one in Dulux Grey Master to match the main house on the property. Stilla's new cedar timber studio range really does have you covered. Whether you're dreaming of having a separate home office or your own little retreat, head online to find out more.